Shorter screws go on the bottom, and these screws should be passed through before the rim is even on the board. Because these bars kind of get in the way, so just pass them through, and once you have these two set up, just pass it right through, and then just install the nuts on the back. And the tools that you'll need is a 13 millimeter and a 1/2 inch wrench. And I just use a wrench to secure it on top and screw it in from the bottom. So once that's on, these go through the bottom. The longer bolts will pass through the bottom, and you push it from the top just like that. And then you'll take the spring, this over, and then these are right. So once you have the bracket on, just make sure that the spring is within the bracket, just like that. And then take the nut and just lightly secure it first, and then just do the other side. So this is the rem setup, fully installed. So a lot of my customers ask, how much should I tighten it? And just you don't want to over tighten it. Just make sure that the bolt is at least minimum flush with the nut right here. You can go a little past if you want, but just make sure it's at least flush with the top of the nut, and same with the bottom. You don't want the bolt to protrude out past the backboard either, but just a little pass will be perfect. And as far as the aesthetics of the backboard is concerned, you're gonna see little blemishes like that. This is by no means a scratch on the board itself. This board has layers and layers of protective coating on it, maybe 4 to 6 layers. And over time, everything is gonna even out. Even the sheen is very, very shiny right now, but it's gonna come down to a semi-gloss color once it's out there and you install it and everything. The purpose of that is to make it weatherproof, and this method has been tested over and over again for years, so it's definitely a proven method. So once you receive it, please do not be disappointed that you are receiving a board that has blemishes here and there. That will even out, and once you install it, you will definitely be satisfied with the way it looks. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thank you.